Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by today to spend a few moments with me. And today we're going to have the winners chosen for the Nail Shack giveaway. I have not even divided them up yet. I figured I still had a little bit of time. This has not ended yet. I'm just pre-filming all the beginning parts of my giveaways. I'm not going to be home or available to get this part filmed. The actual winning part is literally a minute or so to film and just splice into the front part. So I quickly, in the original video, showed you, this is all the stuff I have to give away. I think I have one more set maybe to share here that I might, add a few extras. You never know what I'll do. And I do have a few open envelopes to be able to use those two and this one to send the winners out in. Plus I have other smaller bags here, so I still have to go through them and divide them out. And in this giveaway, the 3 winners each would get one of the color street that I have. So let's set everything back up when the giveaway ends, and I'll come back for you in just a second to have the winners chosen. So good luck to everyone who entered. We are now inside YouTube Studio. And just to clarify, I always like to show the process of how a winner is drawn using the YouTube comment picker. I'm all about transparency and just, letting you see the process. I think it helps to keep things honest and fair. I never pick the winner myself. I don't want any parts of that. I let a random comment picker do it. This way, fair is fair. So you come into your YouTube Studio, you go into the video that actually has the giveaway. You come in, and here is your video link right here. Copy and paste. You can click these little boxes, and that automatically saves it for you. Then you have, I always have open the YouTube comment picker when I'm going to film a winner announcement video. This first line here is where you put the URL from that video that you just copied. And we'll come down a little bit. We don't need that section. I filter duplicate users. You get 1 entry as 1 comment, and that's all you get. I filter comments based on a specific, well, this says text word. The keyword was nails, plural, with an S. And I don't blacklist anybody. I mean, everybody's available, and I don't give extra entries. I might do that in the future if I, start memberships and things like that. But that is something down the line, a little bit down the line. And then what you do is you come down here and tell it to get your comments. There are 35, hopefully you guys can see that right here, 35 unique comments, and there are going to be 3 winners. So what you do, if I get my cursor over there, you come and click. You can't get rid of this, like this box here, no matter how you could X out of it, and just things just keep on popping up. So, and it changes like every so many seconds. It's such a pain. It never used to be there, but Google with their ads. So you click the start button and start the process of having the comment picker choose the winners for your giveaway. So let's get started, and good luck to everyone. And the winner of, let me just see. Okay, she used the word nails. First I saw nail, and I'm like, no, nails. So Jennifer, you are the winner of the first bag from DIY Nail Shack. Okay. And I'll reset it, and we'll have it choose a winner number 2. And the winner of the second bag from Nail Shack is Jenn. I know you told me how to say your name, and I'm not going to even try it because I forget. So we have Jennifer for bag number 1, Jen W for bag number 2. And I like to show the word so that you know it's been in there. I'm trying to do this with my pencil. Here it is, nails. So congratulations to you. And so we have Jennifer and Jen. And let's reset it and have it choose the last winner. And the winner of the third and final bag is Ashley. And I think it's Noneya. I'm not sure. Your name is a little bit easier than Warschauer. Oh God, I'm sure I messed that up, Jen. I'm so sorry. That is so difficult. That's one thing. I mean, you know, to try to get the proper spelling of people's names is scary. So, the 3 winners are Jennifer, Jenn Warschauer, and Ashley Noneya. Hopefully I said your name correct, Ashley. And you can see right here, let me just, the word nails. So everybody used the correct, it's too early in the morning for me, the correct keyword. We have the 3 winners, so congratulations to all of you. In my description box, you can get, there's information. You get in touch with me through Instagram, direct message, or you can use my email address to get a hold of me. I know Sally from the previous winner, she contacted me on Facebook, which is fine. I only check Facebook once a day. I'm not that active on Facebook. So you can still contact me there if you are following me on my Facebook business page. But just be aware, I'm not going to see it probably till like 12 midnight, 1 a.m. when I post for my following day's video. I'm not on Facebook really much at all. I am on Instagram all day long. And if you email me, I check that, you know, once or twice a day anyway. So they're the best ways, Instagram or my email address. But if, you know, you don't want to do that, you can contact me through Facebook. Just understand, I won't get back to you as fast, but I will get back to you and I will see it. So that's not a problem. So get in touch with me and get me your address, and we'll get your DIY Nail Shack packages right out to you. Thanks so much, everyone, for entering this giveaway and supporting the channel. I greatly appreciate it. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.